How to create a drop-down menu in Wix 2024. In this video, I'm going to be quickly showing you on how a drop-down menu is created through Wix. So to start things off, what you are going to be doing is in this menu over here, what you're going to do, you're going to click on it and you're going to click on Manage Menu. Now, to create a drop-down of a specific section, all you're going to do is you're going to simply bring it on the right and underside of your main category. So let's say I want home to be the main menu and I want info and portfolio to be the drop down menus of the main menu. Okay. And you can obviously go over and add more menu items as you go on, but I'm going to skip on that right now. And once all that is done, we have home over here, right? So to make it into a drop down now, we have added the consistent detail. So to make it a drop down, all you're going to do is you're going to go over to your, and once we have gone over to our settings, you're simply going to add your items just like this into your section. And you are going to make sure that all of its settings are into a drop down section. So whenever someone will be hovering over this design, it's going to show them a drop down. So to give you an example, your drop down is going to look something like this. Whenever someone hovers over it, there you have your drop down. So that is pretty much how you can create a drop down menu in Wix in 2024. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.